My friends, you don't need to prove yourself. You don't have to prove your worth to people who already decided not to see it. I have my share of experience. Do you? I know what I'm talking about, my friends. Think about it. Talking to you out there. You don't have to prove yourself because there are some people who have already decided not to see it, not to value what you are trying to prove to them. So you don't need to do that. You're just wasting your time and your precious energy. Save your energy. Trying to prove yourself is always exhausting. Believe me. Because some people won't acknowledge it, as I said before, anyway. They won't acknowledge it. So stop wasting your time. The more you try to convince people, the more you lose yourself. My friends, the right people don't need convincing. They see your value naturally. So guess what? You save your time, you save your energy, and you don't lose yourself. When the right people see, because the right people, they don't need convincing. So guess what? All you need to do is focus on being real, the authentic you. That's what you need to focus on. Don't try to change yourself to please anyone. Not being accepted by everyone. That is the authentic you. The real you. Remember, my friends, your worth, it is not up for any debate. And you're going to realize that when you stay focused and be real and be your authentic you. Remember, it is all about you, not about everyone else who is around you and everybody else's opinion. So don't try to prove yourself to anyone. Be your authentic you. Question: have you been trying hard lately to prove yourself to someone, whoever that is? Please comment in the comment section, worth.